watching my channel Niladri the Genius. Today video we will learn data type description and its range. In video 2 we already told that what is data type and how it works, and one point is written in there on data type, memory size and range we will learn. So in the memory size and value, we know that plus minus 1 2 3 dot written. It dot means it's not mean that it's 1 2 3 dot infinite. It have some range. So how we will calculate this range? Today video we will learn this one. So first, what is data type? So whenever you write integer a equal to 5, so integer is called data type. So when you write integer, it means that it will store 4 byte memory. Its name is a and value is 5. It store 4 byte memory, and also it decide what kind of value we can store in that variable. Suppose I am writing a equal to 5. If we write 5.5, it will not store in the integer data type because integer have round figure value. So fractional value integer will not take. So when you write data type, it has two part. Data type, first point, how much memory it take. Second point, what kind of value it will take. So data, when you write data type, it has two part. One is how much memory it will take, and second point is what kind of value it will take. That means suppose I am writing integer a. So when I am writing integer, that it indicates that it will store 4 byte memory. And what kind of value? It will store round figure value. Round figure value means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can accept round figure value. We can take any value in integer data type. Suppose I am writing character data type. Char C. So character data type, we will take only one character, that is single quote. So we can take more than one character in single quote. It is not considered as character data type. Example, suppose I am writing 5. 5 is also one character. It is called single quote. Suppose I am writing 10. So we can't write 10 in single quote because it is not 10. It is 1 0. So we can't put any more than one value in character data type. So you have to take only one character including single quote. This is called character data type. So like this way you can define data type or primitive data type. So now next question is and its range. So whenever I am writing that, suppose I am writing that byte is 1 byte and the value is plus minus 1 2 3 dot. So what do you mean by plus minus 1 2 3? Plus minus means we can take either integer value or positive value or negative value. Suppose I am writing example byte a equal to 5, we can write, or byte a equal to minus 5 we can write. So both positive and negative value the byte data type will take. But what does it mean dot means it does not mean that it is infinite. So how we will find its range? So once suppose consider byte data type. Byte equal to 1 byte. So 1 byte means 8 bit. So byte equal to 1 byte means 8 bit. So 8 bit. So take 1 bit, that is 7 bit. So its range is 2 to the power minus 2 to the power 7 to 2 to the power 7 minus 1. So what does it mean? First byte equal to 1 byte. 1 byte means 8 bit. 8 bit got 1 bit, that is 7 bit. So its range is minus 2 to the 7 to 2 to the 7 minus 1. So minus 2 to the 7 means minus 128 to 127. So why writing minus 128 to 127? Because minus 2 to the 7 is equal to minus 128, and 2 to the 7 also 128, 128 minus 1, 127. That means byte value will occur from minus 128 to 127. For example, suppose I am writing byte a equal to 127, it's okay. But when you writing byte, when you write byte a equal to 128, that means the 128 will exceed from 127, so automatically the value will return back to here. The answer is minus 128. Clear? So when I am writing 127, so 127 will take, if you write 128, that means the value will again return, because already told the byte range is from minus 128 to 127. So the value will come from when you take 128, so 128 again return back 120 minus 128. If you take 129, then the value will become minus 127. So that means the byte range coming from minus 128 to 127. Like this way the value rotate. Okay. For example, suppose I am taking short data type. Short data type. So short data type is 2 byte. So when you write short data type, it is 2 byte. So 2 byte means 16 bit. So cut 1 bit, then that its range is minus 2 to the power 15 to 2 to the power 15 minus 1. So short value coming from minus 2 to the power 15 to 2 to the power 15 minus 1. So minus 2 to the power 15 equal to minus 32768 to 32767. So like this way, short range coming from minus 32768 to 32767. If you take short value, suppose I am taking short a equal to 32767, it's okay. But if you take short equal to 32768, then its value coming back, that is minus 32768. So like this way, if you take extra value, then automatically the value will decrease here, coming like this way. So we can take short range and byte range. Like this way you can calculate integer range and long range. Thanks for watching my